Thank you for joining me for this trade review video using the GoZone automated trading bot. Hello, my name is Ron Myers. I'm one of the founders of GoZone Trading. Our goal is to simplify trading by giving you the strategies and tools needed to make trading as easy as possible. That being said, let's take a look to see how we are achieving our goal. Before we get started, please take a moment and pause this video and read our disclosure. This video is for educational purposes only. Please be aware that past performances do not guarantee future results. The game plan for this review video: we will go over the complete trading session and review every task the ATB made along with the profit and losses. Then we'll play the video of the same session sped up so you can see the ATB trade the several hour period in only a couple of minutes. The market we'll be trading today is the DAX on a 5-minute time frame. The first thing we're going to review is how to set up our trading plan. Okay, we're going to risk 2% of our trading account on each trade. We have a 50-point stop. We're going to turn on the ATB to start 5 minutes after the cash market opens. We're going to have it shut off about 5 minutes before the U.S. cash market opens. We have auto trade closed on, but this is really not relevant. We'll be well and truly out of the market before that becomes a factor. We are going to close out 75% of our trade. Once the market trades outside the go zone, our first take profit is 60 points. If we hit that target, we will close out 50% of our trade. Our breakout line buffer is 1 point, and I'm willing to risk 5% of my trading account on today's trading, and hopefully we'll get a gain of 12% is my target. This is a DAX CFD market on a 5-minute time frame. The market opened here. We had the ATB to turn on 5 minutes later, and the go zone started, then immediately stopped. But since we did not get confirmation, the ATB did not enter the trade. But now we have our first breakout line established. Then we get a go zone to go short. This time we do get confirmation, and the ATB enters the market short. An hour later, the trend reversed. The ATB closed out 75% of our trade for a $32 loss. Then a few minutes later, it closed out the other 25% on confirmation of the opposing go zone for an additional $12 loss. The market moves up, and we finally break through our breakout lines. The ATB enters us into the trade going long. The go zone continues for around another hour and a half, very slowly I might add. We come out of the go zone and the ATB closes out 75% of our trade for a $47 gain. We missed one false start because of the breakout lines, and we entered into our last position in this extremely slow market here. After 5.5 hours of trading a very slow market, I tapped out about 10 minutes early and manually closed out all my open positions on this market. When I closed out everything, we made another $43 from our first long position and lost $26 from our second long position for a grand total profit of $19.92. The DAX is one of my favorite markets to trade. However, no market is great every day. The downside, if you were trading this manually, you would have had a lot of time invested with very little to show for it. The upside, we did not lose on this session, and we were not glued to our computer for the full 5+ hours. Today, the Asian and European markets were both slow, so I had high hopes for the US market, and one of the reasons I pulled out a few minutes early on the DAX. Rarely are all three markets dead in the same day. I was correct. See our Nasdaq March 31st trade review video. The link is in the description below. Now let's view this epic trading session, thankfully sped up for your viewing pleasure. I would like to thank you again for joining me on this trade review, and I hope this helps you understand the advantages of trading with the Zone ATB. If you have any questions, please email us at contact@gozonetrading.com. Until next time, have a great stress-free trading day. Thank you.